Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. After testing over 50 models, we found that higher prices don't always mean better performance. From compact basket fryers to glass designs and multi-cooker combos, we've picked the best options for every need. So, if you're ready to cook faster and healthier, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's dive in. Let's go! Starting with the best overall, the Ninja Air Fryer Max XL. The Ninja Air Fryer Max XL remains the top performer in our air fryer tests. It consistently makes the crispiest and most golden chicken wings we've come across, which are juicy and not dry, in the shortest amount of time. The 5.5-quart basket-style air fryer is suitable for making a batch of food for 2 to 4 people. It also scored the highest marks across the board for ease of use, thanks to its intuitive, easy-to-read buttons and a clear, helpful owner's manual. During our tests, the air fryer basket slid in and out easily, which made handling a breeze. We're fans of the basket's sleek ceramic non-stick interior, which has held up well over time. We also appreciate that the removable tray fits snugly and securely in the bottom of the basket. Both the basket and tray are dishwasher safe and easy to clean, even when washed by hand. It comes with a broiling rack too. This is the ultimate air fryer, E. The Instant Vortex Plus. ClearCook is the best value. Meal preppers or those cooking for a family of 4 will especially like this air fryer with a square basket from Instant. The nonstick basket's large surface area allows for more cooking at once without being too bulky to put in the dishwasher. Plus, the window and the light let you peer inside without pulling out the basket. The light even turns on right before the timer is about to go off, a unique feature. In our tests, chicken wings came out crispy, golden, and juicy in just 20 minutes, and frozen fries were moist, yet crisp, and evenly cooked, without the need to shake them midway. The 6-quart ClearCook model features a preheat function, a feature not often found in air fryers. The digital control panel is highly responsive, and the knob makes it easy to quickly program the temperature and time. It features 6 preset settings. One downside: the removable tray didn't stay in place during our tests when we flipped the basket. The Cosori Turbo Blaze Air Fryer is the most stylish. Although this Cosori air fryer has a 6-quart capacity, typical of many models we test and ideal for a family of 4, its shorter, sleeker design makes it feel more compact. It features a square basket and a removable tray that stays securely in place. Its easy-to-view screen is flat and located on the top of the air fryer, a unique feature compared to others that are angled or front-facing. The screen has large lettering, a clear font, straightforward settings, and contrasting colors. It's completely black when not in use. The food came out golden brown, moist, and evenly cooked. The air fry setting was powerful, and the fan blew the bread around when we tried to make grilled cheese. However, we appreciated that this air fryer indicates the fan speed for each setting. Perfect sleek design. The Ninja AF-101 air fryer is the best compact. If you're short on space or mostly cooking for one, this air fryer is for you. It performs as well as our best overall air fryer, but is shorter and slightly slimmer, with a 4-quart capacity. Our best overall pick, the Ninja Max XL, has a 5.5-quart capacity. In our tests, chicken wings came out super crispy quickly, and fries cooked well. It's easy to program and clean with a non-stick basket and removable cooking tray. The smaller basket fits nicely into our dishwasher. I mostly use it to cook just for me, so I like the smaller size and how it fits better in my dishwasher. It's as powerful and as fast as the Ninja Max XL. Cleanup is also super easy. I've been using this model at home for more than a year now. I'm impressed with how well it browns and how quickly it cooks. The Cuisinart Air Fryer plus Convection Toaster Oven TOA-70 is the best air fryer toaster oven. If you want one appliance that can realistically replace several others on your countertop, the Cuisinart TOA-70 is an excellent choice. It's ideal for families in larger homes, shared apartments, or even solo cooks who want flexibility without clutter. In our testing, the TOA-70 stood out by producing some of the crispiest air-fried food in the shortest amount of time among toaster oven-style air fryers. Fries, wings, and breaded foods came out evenly browned and crunchy without constant flipping. It also excelled at everyday tasks like toast, delivering the most consistent, evenly colored slices of any model we tested. The Cuisinart TOA 70 is perfect for anyone who wants maximum cooking flexibility, strong air frying performance, and toaster oven convenience in one reliable appliance. It's a true multitasker that earns its spot on the counter. The Ninja Crispi 4-in-1 portable glass air fryer is the best glass option. Glass air fryers are gaining serious traction, especially among people who want to avoid traditional nonstick coatings, and the Ninja Crispi easily stands out from the pack. At the heart of the design is Ninja's Power Pod, the compact heating unit that sits directly on top of the glass base. The controls are straightforward, making it easy to jump between cooking styles without fiddling through menus. In testing, the Crispi did require a bit more cooking time than traditional basket-style air fryers to achieve deep browning and crunch. We also noticed that heat distribution isn't perfectly uniform, with some areas crisping faster than others. For best results, we recommend stirring or rotating food halfway through cooking, which significantly improves evenness. Being able to watch your food cook through glass and then seal it up for later makes this a uniquely practical and thoughtfully designed air fryer. The Tefal infrared air fryer is the best new contender. The Tefal infrared air fryer is one of the brand's newest releases, and it immediately stands out thanks to its infrared heating technology. Instead of relying on a traditional electric coil, this compact air fryer uses an infrared heater that warms up incredibly fast and delivers heat more directly to the food. Performance-wise, the Tefal impressed us the most with even browning. In our grilled cheese test, it delivered the most uniform golden crust of any model we tested. No pale spots, no burnt corners. Chicken wings were another strong showing, coming out crispy with a rich, appetizing brown color, proving the infrared system isn't just a gimmick. The basket isn't dishwasher safe, so cleanup takes a bit more effort than some competing models. If you want cutting-edge heating tech, fast performance, and excellent browning in a space-saving design, the Tefal infrared air fryer is one of the most exciting new air fryers to hit the market. The Instant Pot Duo. Crisp is the best multi-cooker. The Instant Pot Duo. Crisp earns its spot as the best multi-cooker by combining several kitchen appliances into one seriously capable machine. At its core, it's a pressure cooker and slow cooker, but add in the air frying lid, and you also get air frying, searing, roasting, baking, steaming, and reheating, all without giving up extra counter space. Value is another huge win here. Instead of buying an Instant Pot and a separate air fryer, the Duo Crisp lets you save money and reclaim kitchen space by covering both roles in one appliance. Switching lids unlocks entirely different cooking styles, making it incredibly versatile for busy households. If you want maximum versatility, excellent air frying performance, and unbeatable value in one machine, the Instant Pot Duo Crisp is the ultimate multi-cooker for modern kitchens. The Breville Smart Oven Air is the best splurge. If you're willing to spend more for top-tier performance and versatility, the Breville Smart Oven Air is hands down the best splurge in the air fryer category. This isn't just an air fryer with extra buttons. It's essentially a compact smart oven that can replace multiple appliances at once. It's large enough to handle a small whole chicken, multiple trays of food, or an entire sheet pan dinner, making it ideal for families and serious home cooks. As an air fryer, it performs exceptionally well. While it took a few minutes longer than basket-style models to fully crisp chicken wings, the results were still excellent thanks to its extremely consistent heat distribution. If you want premium performance, maximum versatility, and rock-solid consistency, the Breville Smart Oven Air is absolutely worth the splurge. The Dash 2-quart air fryer is best for beginners. If you're brand new to air frying or just want something simple and affordable, the Dash 2-quart air fryer is an excellent place to start. It's compact, lightweight, and doesn't take up much counter space, making it perfect for small kitchens, dorms, RVs, or apartments. In our testing, it cooked 8 to 9 chicken wings to a crispy finish in about 20 minutes, which is right in line with much larger and more expensive models. Fries, nuggets, veggies, and reheated leftovers all turn out evenly cooked with minimal effort. If you're after pure value, simplicity, and a no-nonsense introduction to air frying, the Dash 2-quart air fryer punches well above its price and is a fantastic beginner-friendly choice. Alright everyone, those are the best air fryers of 2026. Remember, the best air fryer depends on your needs, size, performance, features, versatility, and budget. Drop a comment. What air fryer do you use? And what do you love cooking in it? If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more kitchen reviews, and I'll catch you in the next one.